Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Tuesday, February 28th. General disclaimer, give it a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here we have our summary for the SPY. Tick US model week, consolidation day. However, we did finish higher than we closed on Friday. ARCX again weak and in a downtrend, however, did finish higher than Friday. Gamma Dash 390, 395, 400, all significant in terms of delta gamma. SPY price action, lower end of trading range. Other notes, fish pond map showing GEX ratios at low end of the range. We did produce a Twitter thread Sunday on the new charm visualizations. I highly encourage you to give that a read. Last night in our open mic, we released our kind of educational roadmap on Notion, kind of the A to Z on how to get up to speed within GammaEdge using our tools. Encourage you to watch that. And earlier this year, Michael produced a video on Monday, February 27th, kind of morning prep and price action. Would encourage you all to watch that. So here getting into it, Tick US model, you can see big consolidation last week of trading. However, note we did finish higher today than we closed on Friday. So is there something there? Who knows? We first need to break out this range to the upside for the bulls, reclaim this moving average, push higher. For the bears, we want to see that waterfall action downward. Rounding this model out here, new highs did outpace new lows, and filtered tick buying was relatively flat. Looking at the ARCX model here, see the moving average ribbon fully uninverted, trending lower. The cumulative tick is trending below short-term moving average ribbon. However, note we did close higher than Friday. Something to note. Bulls, we want to see the takeout of today's highs progress higher. Bears obviously want to take out lows of Friday. Here going to our gamma dashboard from this morning. A couple things to hit on: large liquidity at 400, large liquidity, large gamma at 395, and native GEX is at 390. Now what I wanted to hit on is really 65-minute chart. We're just showing the consolidation range that SPY is in. Note at the lower end of the range. Here, this is our 10 a.m. script. We're going to run through some stocks and ETFs here real quick. So we have SPY, SPX, QQQ. Looking at the SPY, nothing special here. We had a bit of a double bottom. COTMP could have played it for a bounce. It's a play we see often. However, the start of today was SPX. You can see multiple times zero GEX served as a great supply area. To the downside, we had COTMP negative trends act as a good demand area. Double bottom, so double top, double bottom entries. Great example of what you could have seen there today. Then we had Qs down below, a lot of price interaction with zero GEX negative trends. So you're now going through some liquidity stocks. Here we have Microsoft, nice double top action right at zero GEX, nice play lower, textbook move there. Google, again, same thing. A lot of interaction with zero GEX, nice scalping opportunity to the downside. NVIDIA, opposite price action here. P-Trans actually has nice kind of supply area to the downside. Again, scalping opportunities off these levels today. Note scalping opportunities given SPY XPX in the context of a trending, or sorry, not trending, but a consolidation zone. So something to keep in mind there if you're playing individual stocks. Adjust kind of your profit targets and whatnot. Here, looking at Amazon, a lot of price interaction with zero GEX. Note in the morning, this is pretty volatile, not a ton to do there. However, towards middle into the session, we did consolidate a lot. Saw a lot of, I call them kind of break and retest moves of zero GEX. Again, scalping opportunities to the downside. AMD, again, same thing. Supportive. No, this kind of widen these price action may be tough to size risk off that, but again, it did offer you multiple scalping opportunities, both to the upside and to the downside. Lastly, Taiwan Semi, negative GEX, ton of price interaction throughout the day here. Then we did see a eventual failure push to the downside. So now what does tomorrow look like with the information we have tonight? This is using our 5 p.m. run. This is the last run that we have. SPY, SPX, Qs, SPY, zero GEX, 400, massive level here, not a ton to do here. We're in the middle of 0 gex and COTMP. So again, we want to be operating at these levels. So potential setup is run up to 0 gex where we see a failure. Another potential is we see further weakness to the downside, maybe some supportive bounces COTMP for a potential scalp. Here, same thing, SPX structure very similar to SPY, and Qs again, same structure, very similar, except we have negative trends to downside. I run through some stocks. Google right at 0 gex, Nvidia right at P-Trans, Amazon right at 0 gex, AMD right at 0 gex, Netflix 0 gex, and Meta at 0 gex. So again, handful of stocks there, liquidity stocks, certainly potential plays there tomorrow. Lastly, I just wanted to hit on the gex ratio, starting to get pretty low here. I don't want to say washed out, but starting to see a lot of yellow, red, and orange. Just something to keep in mind. You all know, been following us a while, what the meaning of negative gex getting to the lower bound is. So with that, it's kind of long tonight, but I thought it was worthwhile to run through price action today and setups for tomorrow. So best of luck out there tomorrow. See you all in the room. Bye.